Hello everyone, Fausto Carnevale here. I hope you are fine. Today we're going to talk about the limited responsibility company, also known as SRL in Italian, Società Responsabilità Limitata. In particular, I want to talk today how to save taxes with adding multiple activities code. What is an activity code? This is an example, and basically is a code that identify the kind of activity that your company is doing. For instance, this is the code for the company who are selling cars and other kind of vehicles. What does it mean practically? Let's say here what is an activity code. As I said, is an identification code. Any company has one or multiple codes. I'll give you another example. Suppose that you are a consultant, IT consultant, but you also sell some laptops. So you have two activity codes. One code for selling the goods, for instance, computers or other material things, and then you add another activity code as a consultant. Me, for instance, personally, I have an activity code for the consulting that I do and an activity code for the online business that I have. I have also an online Italian business. I sell video courses. Why I'm telling this to you? So this is, for instance, the code is like this, 6 digits, like I included this as an example. You can even have multiple codes in Italy. So multiple, this is not social objects, my bad, this is multiple, as I said, activity code. What does it mean if you put multiple activity code? What does it mean to have multiple activity codes? Let's make an example with real estate. So you can be set up in Italy, a construct company in Italy. So you build house, you sell house, and you also are a consultant, and you're also sell video games. So you have, for instance, 4 different activity codes. Let's take another example with cars. You can have a company who sell cars and also give consultant advice. 2 different things. But why this is important? Why? Let's go to the purpose of this video. Because with this video, I want you to reflect. You can deduct more cost if you put more activity codes. Why? The principle in Italy to deduct a cost is the consistency, but more the consistency, I will translate as this is not a good way to translate, but to make it easy, you can deduct a cost if it is inherent with your activity. That is the good word. What does it mean? Okay, if you sell car and you buy new tires for your car, of course you can deduct 100% because your activity is to sell car. Also, if you are a software engineer and you also sell laptop, you buy a new laptop, you can deduct 100% of this laptop because we suppose you are buying this laptop to sell it. So if you can, and this is the point of this video today, if you can find a way to add multiple activity codes, give some extra activities with your company, you can deduct 100% of a lot of costs. Because in Italy, when you do your analysis situation at the end of the year, your situation, economic situation, I mean, normally you know what company does, they try to use the card of the company to buy also things that are not inherent of what they're doing. For instance, they buy clothes or they buy a Rolex with Rolex. Yeah, I'm saying like a watch, you know, with the card of the company. And this is crazy, but this happen. And then the accountant have to reduce the deductibility, let's call it like this, of the cost because they are just not paying attention. But if you have an activity which is already stated in your when you create your company, you can deduct 100% of your cost. And there are no additional costs for this procedure from the accountant. So when you find your accountant, you can say, hey man, please add me those 4 or 5 different type of activities, and that's it. Of course, every situation must be analyzed very well, of course, but I am sure that if you have already your business idea, we can help you to also find a good accountant. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please put a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now to ESENtaxa. And if you need more assistance, please contact us via email and we will propose you our services and we can have a call to discuss your new experience in Italy. See you next time.